Ano ang direksyon ng pagbukas ng main door ninyo sa bahay? Ito ba ay palabas or paloob? Alin ba ang tama, swerte at alin ang malas? The ideal direction ng pagbukas ng main door ng bahay ay inwards or paloob. This signifies kasi na you are welcoming good chi to enter your house. Kapag kasi outward direction or palabas, nilalabas or tinataboy mo lang ang good energy. Subalit, this kind of set can be also considered as good since it protects the house from bad energy. Pero kapag ang pintuan ninyo ay opening outwards, it is a better na lang to lagyan ng secondary door or screen door to counter its effect. Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago mula sa amin. Master Michael here, simplifying feng shui for everyone.
Michael De Mesa, Feng Shui Extravaganza, Year of the Fire Horse 2026.